Good morning, students. Welcome to the mathematics class. Be safe at your homes. Today we will start chapter 13, symmetry. First of all, what is symmetry? Symmetry means balance or form. That means shapes, things or figures which have evenly balanced proportions are called symmetrical figures. What is symmetrical figures? Let us take a shape that is an apple, and this is called as the line of symmetry. Symmetrical means the left portion and the right portion of the this object are same. Like we are having so many examples with us. Like I am having these coins. This is 2 rupees coin, and this is also 2 rupees coin. If I keep one coin on other, they coincide with each other, having the same shape and size. Similarly, if I coincide with the 5 rupees coin, if I keep one coin on other, they coincide with each other. If I take one 5 rupees coin and one 2 rupees coin, they can't coincide. See, this is 5 rupees coin is small in size as compared to 2 rupees coin. If I keep one on another, they are overlapping each other from one side but from other side, because both are not having the same shape and the same size. So this is called as symmetrical. Like this is a figure of an owl. If we can see, if we draw a line, or if I can fold it in this way, the two left portion and the right portion coincide with each other, so we can say this is the symmetrical object. Okay, then second thing is there, what is the line of symmetry? A line that divides a figure into the two parts such that when the figure is folded along the line, the two parts of the figure coincide. That means if I draw one line in between this owl, and if I want to fold it in this way, the left portion and the right portion coincide with each other. If I draw a line in the middle, this horizontally, then what will happen? It will coincide or not? See, when I folding like this, you can say both the things are not coinciding each other. So I can't say this is the symmetrical. But if I draw the line vertically, these figures are called symmetrical figures. In your book, one thing is given. First page is carrying so many figures about that, like Taj Mahal is there. It is having a one line of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry. Butterfly, pot and smiley all are having the one line of symmetry. Now moving to next page, we are having so many patterns we can draw with the ink blots, so that we can get the symmetrical object. When we spread the ink on a piece of paper, and if we put the thread and keep the thread out, then we will find the symmetrical objects.